Hello everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. This is the channel for 30 somethings who want to see other 30 somethings talking about beauty on YouTube. So hi, welcome. This is part of the 30 days 30 looks challenge that I've taken upon myself. This isn't like a YouTube challenge, I'm just doing it. Today is a touch-up look. You can tell I already have makeup on, but I'm going to a party. Is it fun seeing me do that on camera? I've already got stuff under my eyes. I will say, however, I put this on at 5:30 this morning, and it is 4:30. So this is 11 hours. It's not bad. I'm shiny. I'm gonna fix that now. I'm gonna change the battery first, and then I'll be back. Okay, back. So, to touch up, I'm gonna take away some of that eyeshadow and mascara that has gotten under my eye by just piling on more concealer. You know, maybe there's a more professional way of doing this, but I'm doing what I call the real person way. And this is what I do. So, touched up there, I'm gonna use the excess to come in and touch up under my nose. I'm gonna have to use more concealer. So that red under the nose, get rid of it, and it's amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna get rid of all the shine. All the shine. Busting out my Wowder. And let's watch miracles take place. My chin is still a little red, but it is what it is. I'll put concealer back on over. I'm not putting more foundation on. Now, to get under my under eye, I have started using... Where'd you go? I have started using that It Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion brush. I put the small end in it and then just dab under the eye. And now we get into touching up. So I still have some blush showing, but I want a stronger contour again. So this whole look today came from the planner, well, except for the blush, but I'm gonna just lightly dab right in that bronzer that I've rediscovered and love, and then dab other side. I'm already starting to turn shiny again right at the center. Fun times. You know what, actually, for that, before I go on with blush, I'm going to use my Hourglass Diffuse Light and use the other end of that It brush and just go right on over it. Also under the eye. Diffused. Okay, so eyebrows just need a quick touch up because they're out of place and I haven't bought gel yet. And I gotta be honest, my eye makeup for the day has pretty much lasted, but we're just gonna give it a little touch up. First though, gonna do some blush. So blush today, I use my City Color Palette Be Matte Blush that I love so much. So I use this one. Ooh, look at that strong line. Blend it out, don't worry. Don't worry, it'll get better. I'll come back to it. I'm going to use a bigger brush to blend it out. Same on this side. And where are you? Is this a Morphe? I think that, yeah, Morphe brush. My Morphe brushes are not the softest. Kind of a bummer. Okay. There's a definite line. I'll get there. I'll get it to work. Then I do just the faintest pop with this side. Right on the apple. Again, brush, 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 brush. Okay. Now, the eye look. So, I really played with these today. Christmas Dream, Love Actually, Pine Cone, and then I used a little plum pudding underneath. So we're just going to touch up with it. So first was actually, Love Actually. And that was all over the lid. So I'm just going to go back over. Up into the crease. Same thing other side. With this brush, if you can see that, I did go into faux fur only. Or did I go in spiked cider? I might have gone in spiked cider, whatever. Doing faux fur only, which is this one, if you have the palette, if you're looking second to the top. And just in the crease to give it a little more depth. Pulling out. And then I went in with Pine Cone because if you've seen the others, these are not as dark as they look. And just brushed up right into just the corner, doing that little Y, that V action, you know, nice little V. Same thing other side. And then I took, where'd it go? My little smudgy brush. And I did plum pudding underneath. But I went over it. Oh, sorry. This isn't as close. I went over it with another color too. Hold on. We will get there. So I went over it with Party Over Here, which is the golden one. So it's a lot of gold under the eye. I'm getting it in my eye since I already have mascara on. It's a bit of a mess. Then I ended by taking Christmas Dream, which is the really pinky shimmery one, and putting it in the corner. And I gotta say, I'm loving it. Now, to amp this up for nighttime, I'm going to use Makeup Forever Black and do my inner rim all the way around. And then I think I'm going to finish with one more thing. We'll see. I'm going to do this comeback. Okay, hold up a second. I just have to let you know. Today, on my rim, I used the L'Oreal Paris Infallible, the dark brown, the espresso eyeliner that I bought that was like $11, and I was very like, is this worth it? Yeah, guys, it's still on my inner rim. It's worth it. Everybody go buy this. That's crazy. So putting this over it. Okay, so I'm not putting it on top because I'm very into doing lower only right now because I'm realizing how much it opens up my eye. But for this evening look, I am, whoa, wrong brush. I am going to take that plum pudding and add it into the corner. So over the dark part that I used already. Can you see that? I hope that's showing up. You know what? We're going to use a different brush. We're going to make it stick. So put a little flat brush in it. Taking some Cover FX because that's the spray I have on hand. And now we've got a nice metallic going. And it's just in the corner, just on the lid. I'm not smoking that out at all. I might, however, okay, I'm brushing it off on my hand. Real classy. I think I am going to pull Christmas Dream higher to give even more depth. And same thing, little mist. And we're going to pull this up on both sides. So, I don't know if you can see that. I keep trying to look at the monitor to see, but there's a really big difference in like the depth of it now. Okay, I'm gonna reapply mascara and then we'll do lips and be good. So, new mascara on, and using my favorite, using my favorite lip color. This is the Turned Up Flutter Kiss from NYX. So, you know, my favorite lip, 350. And I am going to put a gloss over it, but I don't have it here. It's in my purse. So that's going to come later. But for now, last things. For some reason, right here, it just loves to get shiny. So, going to powder there one last time. Forehead shine, I'm going to let go. That's just what we're doing now. Gonna blend with this little foundation. I do not use this brush for foundation. This is the VIB Rouge gift this year. And I do not, it's a great brush for like hitting little spots. I never use it for what it was intended, which is foundation. Then last, I had Becca's Champagne Pop on earlier, but I'm gonna go with Opal because I think it fits the color scheme. It's a more cool toned look. My nose is there's already Champagne Pop just still coming through, but bringing it back. Aww. Okay, so that is the final look for this day of 30 Days, 30 Looks. Let me know what you think about it. I'm like swallowing Cover FX spray. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. And, you know, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do you like all the eyeshadow on my hand? And right now you should get suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.